Hello everyone, I am Andrew Nicolas O. Marshall, a third-year BS Mari student from University of Cebu, METC. For me, the most difficult creed to live by is the one about being a Junzi, or a noble person who stands up for what is right. It is not always easy to speak up against injustice, especially when the people involved are friends, authority figures, or when doing so might cause conflict. Sometimes fear of judgment or consequences can make me stay quiet, even if I know something is wrong. Living as a Junzi takes a lot of courage and moral strength. It means doing the right thing even when it's uncomfortable or risky. I'm still learning to be brave enough to stand firm for what I believe in, but I know it's something worth striving for every single day. That is all. Thank you.